fish. I believe it's called red bass, and I bought it from my local fishmongers. What I've decided I'm going to do, excuse me, what I've decided I'm going to do is I'm going to fry it, lightly fry it. So I've washed it, as you can see, nice and clean. Seasoned the fish, and it's coated, well coated with all season that I use. I don't think I'll name it because I'm not going to get paid for naming the actual product, but all I'll say is a good, well named Caribbean seasoning, and it's got full flavours, and so I've left this for a while in the bowl. Excuse me, left it in the bowl for a while so that it's completely infused with the flavours. And so now that's one area. So that's just a quick view of my cooking seasoning, rather. So this is the fish that has now been cooking for quite a while, and come out really nice. And this is the remainder of it. Here's some fish tails in my wok. Come out nice. Nice. And now I've got my corn and provisions. That's come out very nice. It's been gently boiling. And here, something that I made earlier actually, is my cabbage. And carrots and kale. I think we need to eat a lot more vegetables, so I've decided that I'm going to start creating more cabbage and kale mixture with carrots and saltfish. So that's when I run out of callaloo. If you've never heard of callaloo, I will be showing you what that is at a later program, and you'll see what that is. But for the time being, there's my cabbage, kale, carrot mix with saltfish. Very nice, I must say.